Days after his controversial remarks on Goddess Sita, TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee has now sparked a row once again. While in West Bengal's Hooghly for a political rally, Banerjee stated that BJP men are the ones who don saffron robe, chant Jai Shri Ram while indulging in rape and Gundaism. Heading out of the BJP, he has said that priests who are accused of rape belong to the saffron party. Just a week ago, the TMC MP had brought up Sita, Ram and Hathras rape victim while addressing a rally in Howrah. He claimed that Sita told Lord Ram that she had been abducted by his disciples. Her fate would have been the same as that of the Hathras victim.
তারা কিভাবে মহিলাদের রেপ করেছে কই তখন তো তাদের তো দেখিনি যে তাদের বাড়ির সামনে যে কালো পতাকা দেখাতে বা তাদের কোনো মন্দিরে আশ্রমে যে কালি লাগাতে তো বিজেপিকে তো দেখিনি, কারণ এরা বিজেপির লোক ছিল বলে। আমার আসল আটাকটা তো বিজেপির বিরুদ্ধে, বিজেপির লোকজনরাই এরকম করছে, ওই মাথায় গেরুয়া ফেট্টি বাঁধছে আর জয় শ্রীরাম বলছে, গুন্ডামি বদমাশি বাঁধামি।
Now listening to what TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee made in terms of a statement earlier which turned out to be controversial on Sita that ended up sparking a row.
সীতা রামের কাছে যে বলছে, বলো ভাগ্যিস রাবণ আমাকে হরণ করে নিয়ে গেছিল, আর যদি তোমার চেলাগুলো যারা এই জয় কি বলে, হ্যাঁ লাল ফেট্টি হলুদ গেরুয়া ফেট্টি বলে, বলে যদি তোমার চেলাগুলো যদি আমাকে হরণ করে নিয়ে যেত তাহলে আমার উত্তরপ্রদেশে হাথরাসের ধর্ষিতা মেয়েটার মতো অবস্থা হতো।
Manogya is now joining us live. Manogya, what is the sentiment amongst the people listening to a member of the ruling party in West Bengal making such a controversial statement like that?
Well, for Ram and Sita, they're not just mythological characters, but also an immense connect for the people of India, and especially those who've been offering prayers to them for ages now. But when it comes to politics, that's also precisely a point that is always raised when it comes to West Bengal especially. What we've been hearing from Kalyan Banerjee, a TMC MP, one after the other, unapologetically going ahead with the kind of statements and observations that he's been making, be it the caricatures that he has referred to, or even the jokes and the cartoons that have been in the public forum that have been mentioned by him in public rallies. But the word usage that has been there is offensive and is also derogatory. BJP has always hit back to it, stating that this is not the kind of leadership that Bengal should accept, and that's also a reason why the entire episode is now escalating into a political one. This is not for the first time that Kalyan Banerjee has made such sweeping remarks and has stood by them, also stating that he said what he wanted to, that Uttar Pradesh and several other states in North India have been a breeding ground of rapists, to the kind of word usage he's been mentioning, and also connecting them to mythological characters like Ram and Sita.
All right, leave it at that. Thanks, Manogya, for joining us with the latest details right there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.